How to fix unexpected server error occurred error in Overwatch 2. 1. Ensure you've set up your SMS information/protection, phone number, in your battle.net account. 2. Quit then relaunch Overwatch. 2. 3. Contact Overwatch 2's support team. 4. Other tips are, restart your internet connection, router. Additionally, check your internet settings. Use one of the 3 available servers, Asia, America, or Europe. Ensure your Overwatch 2 is up to date. Uninstall and reinstall Overwatch 2. Disable any third-party VPN. Add an exception for Overwatch 2 in your firewall. Like this. Check if your console or PC requires an update. Run IP protocol configuration/flushins command as admin. Scan and repair your game.